Hi, nurse. I was told I had Li-Fraumeni syndrome and that my p53 is mutated. Could you explain what that means?
Yes, of course. Let's start by talking about DNA. DNA is a molecule in your body that contains genetic information that is needed for you to grow, reproduce, and function properly. DNA is packaged tightly into thread-looking structures, so all this important information about you isn't lost. This is called a chromosome. Now let's move on to our cells. In our bodies, we have many cells all around. We need cells to create organs, tissues, and muscles. In order to make a cell, it goes through something called a cell cycle. Here, the cell grows until the genetic material is divided into two identical cells. Do you recall what we learned about DNA? DNA is made in each of our cells. In order to make these cells or DNA, we need instructions or blueprints. These instruction sheets are very special and called genes. To understand p53, let's combine what we've learned so far. p53 is a very important gene, also called the guardian of the genome. It is like a security guard which stops and fixes damaged DNA inside the cell during the cell cycle. This gene can also stop a cell from developing if the DNA is too damaged. Without a functional p53 gene, our cell's DNA can become damaged over time. Damaged cells are more likely to grow and divide uncontrollably, leading to the formation of cancers. Everyone receives two healthy copies of p53, one from their mom and dad. If a person only inherits one healthy copy of p53, the risk of developing cancer increases. If both copies of p53 are mutated or damaged, the person has a high possibility of developing cancer sometime in their life, also known as Li-Fraumeni.
Thank you for the explanation. I think I understand now.